If you want to use a split screen view on your Google Pixel 10a, it's very easy. So first what you have to do is you have to have both of the apps open in the background running that you want to place in the split screen view. Then you see you would simply open this view or simply swipe up till you see your background apps, and you see you have this feature here, the text here. So the app name. If you click here, as you see, it opens this menu where we can click split screen, and then you have to choose like the other app. So if you have multiple apps, so let's maybe open up multiple stuff here. So you see, for example, let's do it again. Click on this one, split screen, and then you have to choose a second app which you want underneath it, and you see it opens in this view, and you can see both. Also, you see you can like expand basically the views. So for example, you can watch a video here or do something here. If you want to close any of these apps, so you see you simply swipe up or down. So again, click on the app name, split screen, and choose the other app you want to use. For example, this one. Okay, if you want to close it, drag it up or down. Okay, good luck.